Good morning. It's Sunday. Um, past 10, around past 10. I'm not exactly sure. Um, I know I've been doing a, not really trash, but I haven't been the best at vlogging since yesterday morning. But basically to recap the day. Um, After our morning walk, we came back, had breakfast, got ready. Then we went to like basically had a beach day yesterday, and yeah, that was that. And then came back here, and then my cousin and my sister and I went out for like bicycle rides, and then we came back again. My cousin and I got ready and went out for drinks. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, no, I don't know why I didn't vlog then, but I didn't. So today we haven't been doing much. We haven't been doing anything really. But uh, I should start. Gonna get ready, and then we're going to go on that, and then we're going to have a beach day again, and I want to do like some water activities. Hopefully I'm going to vlog then. Like, let me tell you, when I say I had no intentions of vlogging this whole trip, I mean I had no intentions of vlogging this whole trip. Like, I didn't even bring my tripod with me. Like, no ring lights, literally nothing, no intentions whatsoever. So yeah, hopefully I can try and vlog that. Yeah, so that's today's plan: the cruise, and then a beach day, and then I'm gonna do some activities. And then yeah, I don't think there's literally anything else to do because Ushaka is closed. Moses Mabiri is also closed, and I wanted to bungee jump, but oh well. So yeah, that's today's plan. Let me get ready, and then I'll see you guys later on. So we're about to leave. I got ready and everything. I don't know where I got this dress, but I have my bag with me, accessories, Lovisa, and my sandals. Yeah, I know I said we're about to leave, but that's going to be in like maybe 10 minutes, maybe, because you know how old people are. I don't know if it's an old person thing, but we're not gonna leave now. I know that for sure. But I'll update you guys. I'll update you guys. Quick updates. So, after the cruise, my family and I went to have like a beach day by the beach. You know the vibes. We had lunch there, and then my cousin and I went like shopping, if you would. But yeah, like you know when I'm with her, vlogging does it doesn't. Yeah, no. So now, what time is it? I really don't know what the time is. Let me. Oh, it's 10 past 6, and then my sister and I are going to the rooftop for a swim. And then that's basically it. I'm not going to do anything else. But I think I'll do a proper outro tomorrow because we're leaving tomorrow. And yeah, this lighting is not great, so I'll probably like close off the vlog tomorrow. And if you made it this far, why have you not subscribed? That's my question. Why have you not subscribed? If you've watched this far, do it now. It's free. But yeah, that's what's going on. So it's 8:50 and we just came back from the swimming pool. Now we're just gonna get into the jacuzzi because there's literally nothing to do, and I didn't come to Durban to watch Date My Family. That's not what I did. That's not what I'm gonna do. So my sister and I are just gonna chill in the jacuzzi. So hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another. What? Good morning. It's Monday, the last day of vacation. I'm busy packing. Yeah. and I just thought I should like close off the video. It's been nice, it's been great. Yeah, it's been great. um I'm grateful to have been here. Grateful, like I'm just, yeah, grateful to have been here. It's been a wonderful stay, but now it's time to go back home. Um, an exciting week ahead. I'm not gonna spill the beans. Um, but yeah, subscribe for more travel content. Subscribe for lifestyle. Subscribe for mental health, self growth, self care. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. What it do, what it is.